Welcome students to the English session. Today we are going to learn writing skill. Now students, take out your books and start writing what I dictate. Okay, what is it called? Note taking. I am giving you the note and you are taking it. We have both the skills are totally different. First one is note taking and note making. Both the skills are totally different. Note taking is a passive process which is undertaken during lectures. Note taking at a glance gives a complete view of a paragraph or any content which contains the main points and supporting details of what is heard during lectures or speech. Taking notes while reading from different books and present for different purpose. That is called as note taking. But today we are going to learn note making. Note making is a more active and focused writing skill where a concrete connection between all relevant concepts and words is drawn to infuse or connect all thoughts together by a method, for example, points, tree diagrams, or a table, etc. Now, children, we are going to learn the similarities between what are the similarities between note taking and note making. Both provide the students with materials for easy references, preparation, study during an examination. Both help the students in remembering facts easier as it utilizes both reading and listening senses. Both have the same purpose, that is for the students to excel in their studies. Both help the students to concentrate better and effectively. Differences between note taking and note making. Note taking involves only jotting down points. There is no sight interpretation, whereas note making helps the students to see each point clearly along with its link or connection with each other. There are very little changes required in note taking, while it's easier to change notes made in note making. Note taking involves taking points from one source at a time, whereas note making involves taking points from different sources. Note taking is less understanding. Note making is more understanding. In note taking, points or notes are written in full form. Points given by sources are taken directly, whereas note making is often in short form. Note taking is carried out from sources. They are handmade since the time available is limited. Note making is constructed by the learner. Styles of note making. Tables or tabular column. Charts like bar charts, pie charts, flow charts. Line graph, tree diagram, pictograms, maps and plans.